I'm gonna tell you what. You don't come in here. You don't. Okay, that's contempt. That's 93. Keep going. That's another 93. That's another 93.
The courtroom tension ignites fast. Judge Cedric Simpson begins to lose patience. Darrell Jarrell, standing before him, interrupts, defiant, agitated, unfiltered. The judge warns him once, then twice. When the disrespect continues, the gavel drops. Contempt of court. 93 days. Then another. And another. Each word another hammer of justice.
We're in Ann Arbor, Michigan for a pretrial hearing. 45-year-old Darrell Jarrell has been charged with trespassing in 2 different cases.
We're in Ann Arbor, Michigan, a quiet college town, but today the courthouse is anything but calm. It's a pretrial hearing that will soon spiral into chaos. The air feels heavy, like something is about to go wrong. "45-year-old Darrell Jarrell stands accused of trespassing, twice. Police say he caused a disturbance at 2 different supermarkets just days apart. It's not a violent crime, but the judge's patience for disrespect runs thin. Today's hearing isn't about guilt or innocence. It's about control."
2 days later at a different store. Police were called and he was cited for trespassing both times. Today, he appears before Judge Cedric Simpson to discuss next steps in the case. He's represented by Assistant Public Defender.
Before the bench sits Judge Cedric Simpson, measured, experienced, known for his calm but commanding courtroom. Across from him, Public Defender Perani tries to guide her client. But what starts as routine legal talk is about to explode into one of the most shocking courtroom moments of the year.
Perani.
Where are we on his case?
Your Honor, we have not had contact prior to today. I think the number we have for you may not.
I don't have a phone. So whoever gave you a number was invalid.
Okay.
The judge gives Jarrell time to work with his lawyer, a small extension, September 4th. But Jarrell pushes back. His tone sharpens. His words challenge authority. In that instant, the room shifts. The respect that holds a courtroom together begins to crack.
Okay. Do you have an email address?
No. I'm on his radar.
So you guys are gonna be trying to figure out a way to make contact with each other, right? So.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me give you a little bit of time. I'm gonna adjourn this out to September.
It happens fast. The defendant interrupts. The judge responds with ice-cold authority. That's contempt. That's 93. But Jarrell keeps talking. Another contempt, then another. 6 in total. The judge doesn't yell, he doesn't need to. His words carry more weight than any outburst ever could.
4th.
What's the holdup?
Pardon?
I don't understand what the holdup is. It's trespassing.
What do you mean what the holdup is? I'm trying to give, I can set it for 2 weeks out.
Yeah,
But the problem,
I'm tired of this.
The courtroom sits frozen. The gavel echoes like thunder. 6 counts of contempt. 558 days behind bars. And yet, Judge Simpson's tone stays calm, even steady. Without missing a beat, he moves to the next case, unfazed. Justice, after all, must continue.
I'm ready to leave this state as soon as possible. It's trespassing. I could technically leave and you guys could issue a warrant as long as I don't return. You guys kiss my ass.
you know what? No. I'm gonna tell you what.
6 days later, the scene looks very different. Jarrell returns to court. Same man, new lawyer, new humility. The fire in his tone is gone. What remains is remorse. He stands before the same judge, hoping for forgiveness.
But you don't come in here. You don't. Okay, that's contempt. That's 93. Keep going. That's another 93. That's another 93. That's another 93. That's another 93. That's 6 93s consecutive.
Jarrell speaks from the heart. No excuses, just honesty. "I lost my composure," he says. The courtroom listens. The man who once defied authority now pleads for redemption. His apology feels real, and Judge Simpson can see it.
Jarrell's outburst leaves the courtroom stunned, and Judge Simpson holds him in contempt of court 6 times, for a total of 558 days in jail. The judge remains calm and moves on, calling the next case.
What's the case? People versus Keith Jenkins.
The judge leans forward, eyes steady. I like this Jarrell better than that other one I saw. His voice softens. The tension breaks. For a moment, justice feels human again.
Mr. Jenkins does not want to, he does not want to unmute. You're all right, Mr. Jenkins. None of that bothered me. That guy, I don't know what he's from, but don't worry about it.
6 days later, Jarrell returned to court, and this time, he had a new lawyer and a very different attitude toward the judge.
Your Honor, there's no excuse for what I done, man. I lost my composure and I directed my frustrations at you. I apologize for.
In the end, the sentence is reduced from 558 days to 93. Time served is credited, the rest suspended. Jarrell walks free, his trespassing cases still pending. But what happened inside that courtroom will be remembered, not as a story of defiance, but of transformation.
Being disrespectful to you and your court. Hopefully you accept the apology and reconsideration of the time you've sentenced me to. Thank you.
I'll tell you what. I like this Jarrell better than that other one I saw.
Judge Simpson reduced the sentence from 558 days to 93. Jarrell was given credit for 6 days' time served, and the remaining balance was suspended. So he was released, and his original trespassing cases are pending.
Respect the court, and the court will respect you. Disrespect it, and it will remind you who's in charge.
I'll tell you what.